Hey, today we're going to talk about how BlockFi mistakenly credits users with too much Bitcoin in a promo payout. Man, Christmas came early this year, baby. We're also going to look into the charts and see what in the hell is going on with Bitcoin. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy, Crypto Chuck, back here to Group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. You're probably not. Guys, we see the market right now. Currently, Bitcoin, we see what we have right now is, Bitcoin's at 36,000. It is moving up a little bit, $36,233. We're gonna get into that. But guys, the debacle, the talk of the day. Oh my God. The Bitcoin maxis. I know I'm about to go on Clubhouse probably in about an hour or so. And I'm just going to listen to the Bitcoin maxis because they've been talking about it. And, because, people, you bring up DeFi, you bring up earning interest on your crypto. They said, well, these companies haven't been around for a long time. We don't know what they're going to do. We don't know this. We don't know that. They can take your Bitcoin. They can lose your Bitcoin. Blah, 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 blah. So this is just ammunition. You know what happened a few weeks ago with Celsius, where people was able to, some hackers was able to go into their system, find their customers, send emails out, and then turn around and email Celsius customers and talk them into getting their seed phrases to their MetaMask and everything, to their wallet. So that happened over there on Celsius. And today we're gonna talk about BlockFi. So they didn't lose no one Bitcoin, Celsius or BlockFi. Let's just be fully transparent here. But this is going to be something just for the maxis to talk about and to say, well, look, you don't have to worry about this issue if you just take your Bitcoin, lock it up, because if they can make this mistake, then they can have them make a mistake to lose your crypto, or something happen. So some computer error. So it says BlockFi mistakenly credits users with too much Bitcoin in promo payout. Now, this here is something good, for the users. So it says just under 100 BlockFi users are reported to be affected, with some allegedly receiving as many as 700 Bitcoin due to a mishandled promotional offer. I think me personally, I think it ties in to what's going on as well in the market. And I'm going to put my theory in at the end. But let's look at Bitcoin before we do all that. Look at Bitcoin, big dog. All right. So right now, Bitcoin is at $36,640. It is creeping up, guys. Bitcoin, guys, as you guys can see, we're on a daily chart. It did break my initial support at $48,931. When it broke that, that's when I would start telling people, hey, look, you might want to just sit to the sideline because we don't know where this could end. I even told people again yesterday, we were still above 40,000 yesterday. People I said, listen, you want to sit in the sideline? We don't know where's the bottom, and like a lot of people like to say, you don't want to catch falling knives if you are trading. Now, I did say, if you're looking to buy, you always say, listen, I'm looking to get Bitcoin at 50,000, looking to get Bitcoin at 40,000. This is your time to buy. So that's for those people that are investors, long-term investors. But if you are trading, I will sit on the sideline. Now, I'm not going to front. Last night, I just had an itch. I had to scratch. So I shorted Bitcoin. I know. But I shorted Bitcoin last night. Once Bitcoin broke below this fib of 40,678 right here. I showed a Bitcoin. I say, listen, it's not long before it gets down to 38,273. So I did put a short in, made 25% off that short. And then once I seen Bitcoin break down again under 30, under 30, not 37, of under 35, 865. When I said broke down under, because it did push up again. But when I seen it broke down under this 35, 868, I put in another short and pulled another 25% out of it. So, guys, and the small wins is what's going to make you win. So that's what we was able to do. Get some money out of it. I said, listen, if the Asian market gonna come in here and short Bitcoin and push the price down, I'm gonna make money out of it, because I'm gonna make money out of it whether it goes up or it goes down. So these are some of the tricks of the trade that you will learn about about leverage trading, also about once you know what you're doing. Now this is for experienced traders only. I will say that experienced traders only that knows what they're doing, has been trading for a long time and been able to do what they need to do. So, and you learn all that once you're around different traders, and get different perspectives from different traders, and also having the mastermind report. When you get a mastermind report and it's going to be bearish times, you can short it and make money. It's going to be bullish times, you can long it and make money. And that's just a good way to make money. I remember before, my goal was to make about 20% a month, in regards to trading. But when, I start becoming better at trading, I was able to, actually utilize leverage trading. Then I can say, okay, well, no, I can make 25% in a day. I can make 25% in a matter of 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You know what I mean? Especially when I'm utilizing the mastermind report, as well as different techniques and styles that I like to use when trading, and look at the charts, and also looking at the sentiment of the market and tracking the volume. So those are the type of things there that, where you guys can learn those type of skills. You can eat forever. You can be on the beach in Miami, make $1,000 or make $500 or $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 while sitting on the beach in Miami, pulling your phone out, do a trade, or right before you go out, for the day, and then say, you know what, let me throw a trade in real quick. Let me make a quick $500. Because once you learn this skill, guys, can't nobody take it away from you. Once you learn this skill, no one can take it away from you, and you're good inside bull and bear markets. So I just want to put that out there, guys. I don't want to rant too much about this right here, but I just want to put that out there. So, but personally, guys, again, I'm saying the same thing I said the last few days. The market right now is so volatile. You don't know which way it's going to turn. So if you are going to be trading, this is only for long-term investors. If you're a long-term investor, you say, listen, I want to buy Bitcoin under 40,000. I want to buy Bitcoin under 35,000. I want to buy Bitcoin under 50,000. This here is your chance to buy it under that. Long-term, again, my mind is not changed. I still believe Bitcoin going to hit over $215,000 this year. And I say that publicly, and I say that with confidence. Or should I say this bull cycle, because it could be extended bull cycle. So that I believe that. And so when you're looking at, say, $100,000 Bitcoin, you're not going to be complaining that you bought it at 36, 37,000. Okay. Also, guys, but if you're trading, I would say sit sideline. I wouldn't touch it. I would leave it alone until at least we get above this 44,000, 44.1. I'll say about 42. I would start looking at it, but I wouldn't get in yet. I wouldn't feel comfortable like saying, listen, know what, we're trading. There's a things starting to change a little bit until we're above 50,000 again. Until we're above 50,000 again, I'll say, okay, listen, things are changing. We can start trading. We do this, that. For people that's not experienced. That's all I'm going to say. All right. But let's get into this BlockFi story, guys. I just want to break that down for you, because a lot of people ask me, a lot of people scared. So they're like, oh man, what are we gonna do? The bull market over that. It's scared. Don't be scared. But yeah, guys, it says BlockFi mistakenly credits users with too much Bitcoin and promo payouts. I personally know someone that actually got this. I ain't gonna say no names, but he's a good guy. He's a smart guy. So he told me about it. So it says crypto promotional schemes are an old hat in the industry, with many businesses trying to secure customer loyalty through a range of perks and many handouts. For BlockFi, however, its latest promotional offer has gone topsy-turvy. Now it says after the platform mistakenly paid out oversized rewards in Bitcoin, one BlockFi user allegedly received a staggering 701.4 Bitcoin on Friday. God damn, man. It sent me 10. Just 10 Bitcoin. I don't want just send me 10. All right. It says, under the terms of the original giveaway, BlockFi has offered Bitcoin rewards for clients trading a set volume in United States dollars between March 18th and the 31st, with rewards due to have been credited to accounts May 31st. BlockFi warned users already on Friday. Says in a tweet, some clients who participated in the March trading promotion may see an inaccurate bonus payment displayed in their transaction history. Our team is working on the fix, and the proper accounts will be reflected shortly. Now, it says just under 100 clients are thought to be affected. According to the BlockFi representative, yet a small furor over the exchange allegedly threatened tone to clients who don't comply instantly with his directives to return the funds has already erupted on social media. Now it says one user has reportedly posted a photograph and an email allegedly from BlockFi notifying them that failure to return their erroneously received assets by 5 p.m. today on the 18th may constitute a crime and will result in BlockFi taking legal action. The company also offered clients a $500 payout in Gemini dollars as compensation for any trouble that they may have caused. So it's funny how they threaten you with a lawsuit and also pretty much want to reward you all in the same letter. I'm threatening to sue you. Also, I'm going to reward you. But, it's funny how they did that. Now, another Reddit users in the BlockFi thread has alleged that 2 days after their blunder, I made a withdrawal of USDC, which I have deposited a month earlier, completely unrelated to their claim. Now they send me an email accusing me of withdrawing funds that aren't mine, saying it's fraud and a crime. They will act on it if not returned in the next 2 hours. The user continued to criticize the platform, claiming that BlockFi can even look through the records to verify that they are talking about what they're talking about. My account with them is only 1 month old. Great way to treat a new customer, the user wrote. It's in its official statement on Reddit, BlockFi tried to reassure customers by noting, quote, the situation does not affect any of BlockFi ongoing operations and measures have been taken to ensure that an error like this would not be possible in the future. BlockFi latest publicity. God damn. What you mean won't be available in the future? What do you mean it won't be available in the goddamn future? Make it available. I'm somebody on BlockFi right now. God damn. So BlockFi latest publicity reported AUM is 15 billion as of Q1 2021. Clients' funds are not impacted and are safeguarded. In March of this year, BlockFi has raised $350 million in a Series D funding round led by Bain Capital Ventures, Pomp Investments, Tiger Global, and partners of DST Global. The company was valued at $3 billion. With rumors of users' allegations continue to circulate online, BlockFi has yet to release an official statement clarifying what happened exactly. On Twitter, BlockFi CEO Zach Prince has recently posted that the amounts are on the company's account, not as high as some users have been alleging. So there are substantiated accounts on BlockFi derping a rewards program and sending users 800 to 700 Bitcoins. It says, no, we mistakenly credited a bunch of Bitcoin in accounts, but only sent a couple hundred BTC to 100 clients before it was caught. The amount at risk is a fraction of BTC we own with equity capital and a fraction of loss reserves we carry for this exact purpose. So we'll see, maybe he's, telling the truth, or maybe he's not telling the truth. My guy Nick brought up a good point last night. Nick, what he said was a lot of people could jump ship because of a liquidity problem. They probably think, okay, what, BlockFi, they send out all this crypto, all this Bitcoin, and they don't have the money, and what they doing with my money, what they doing with my crypto. So they probably have a liquidity problem. And it was a good point you brought up last night. And I agree with that 100%. And people could be jumping ship and going over to Celsius, going over different platforms as well. So we'll see how that work out. Guys, you also, this is centralized. This is a centralized, this is CeFi, not DeFi. This is CeFi. So, we'll see how this all work out, how it all pan out. I think, me personally, I think it's going to be, I think BlockFi will be fine. They got a lot of money, a lot of backing. If this is the case, it could be, they sitting on 100 Bitcoin, and, it is what it is, and they're sitting on thousands and tens of thousands of Bitcoin, So, we'll see how this all work out and how it all pan out. But God damn, man, I wish it was me. It was for me. Now, my theory, I do have a theory. Now, here we go. We about to go down a rabbit hole. Now, I think this also contributed to these dumps. You had this nice, big, long, today, in the last few days, this nice, big, long, these sales, right? That a lot of people could be taking that Bitcoin and cashing out. You know what I'm saying? So they taking it off the exchange. Taking it out of BlockFi, putting it onto exchanges, and pretty much selling and cashing out as well. That could be adding to the selling pressure that we're seeing in the markets on Bitcoin. And this is the thing. For a lot of people, there's a lot of new people that come in. We had about 6 to 7, I believe, about 6 to 7. 30 or almost 40% drops in the last bull run. Okay. So I don't want you guys to be scared. This is pretty much normal. Crypto is volatile, very volatile in crypto. So I want you to think this is, oh my God, it's the end, it's the bear market. This is just one big correction, and it's healthy. It's healthy. Everything is not going to keep going up. You got to have corrections, because when you have corrections, the bull market lasts longer. Okay, so you have to have healthy corrections, let it come down, let it breathe. People take profits, some people get nervous, and then the market comes back around. Okay, so I don't want people to get too discouraged. I don't want people to get too scared. Just act accordingly. Don't be in your emotions. And like I said, I wouldn't start paying attention to it until we're above 50,000. I have my 48,931 right here. Until we're above 50,000, I really wouldn't start paying it. I really wouldn't start being like, okay, let's start trading, blah, blah, blah. For the experienced traders, people that know how to get in and out. Then yeah, but like day traders real quick, they know how to get in and out. That's experience. I would chill. I would chill. If I was y'all, I would chill, because you don't know until we have a nice little turnaround. But guys, let me know about this. Are you one of the people that got this? They got this money. Like I said, I know somebody that did it. But are you one of the people that got, this Bitcoin? Did you get 10 Bitcoin, 5 Bitcoin? Send me some Satoshis. Send me some Satoshis. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Like I said, if you're new to cryptocurrency, make sure you visit our website, take the beginner's course. If you want to learn, you want to have a report to show you, okay, listen, these are trades, these are coins they look to get in for this month. These are a good day to trade, blah, blah, blah. And it's like a ton of information there, guys. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. Then I would say download that mastermind report, the Oracle mastermind report. And if you want to be amongst different traders, guys, make sure you click the link below. All the links below, right in the description box. And if you want to be amongst different traders, You know, we different call outs, be on different live Zoom calls, over 20 calls a week live. We can ask different questions. You inside of Discord, we ask different questions inside there in the chat. Then guys, you know, we got traders from all around the world. Join us, DCG baby. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys next video. I'm about to go out here and enjoy this weather. I'm gonna go out here and relax, baby. And I'll see you guys next video. Make sure you stack your stats and chill, guys. Like I said, don't panic, be careful. And we out of here, baby. Peace.